Hi everyone, Bastian here. Guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone's doing well. I'm back with another video. Okay, in this video, pay close attention because I'm going to share with you very important tips, tricks, and rules. You can add to your own rules and follow them if you want to take your trading to the next level, right? So let's not put the time in. Let's get right into it. The first and most important rule is always use stop loss, hard stop loss, guys. Forget about mental stop losses, right? In my experience, 30 points stop loss is an optimal stop loss size, all right, when trading key levels, as if the price loses more than 20-30 points, the key area, all right, the opportunity becomes invalid, right? So there's no need more than 30 points. Okay, however, you cannot give too tight as well, because we must give space for the volatility, for the price fluctuation, and we want to stay in the trade, of course, right? So, but forget about mental stop losses, because you're gonna refuse to take your loss and it's going to destroy your account. The next one, guys, trade only around key areas, okay? Your entries must be around supply, demand, or support resistance areas. Is this going to give you a higher probability trade, right? You cannot just jump in the middle because you just see a candle, all right, or some buying pressure. You have to base your entries on supply and demand areas. Of course, if it fails, it's going to be easier to go back to that key area and check why it failed your trade, right? So you can learn from the mistake. Okay. Rule number 3. This is very important, guys. Stop chasing trades, right? And stop trading all day, right? Very important. As we said, we are looking for a 20, 30, some cases 40 points move. And in my experience, daily, there is 4, 5, maximum 6 opportunities for a 30 points. So if we catch 2, 3 of those, right, we have to cut it off. We have to walk away and we have to come back on the next day when the market structure is different, when the volatility is a little bit different, all right, and to look again for opportunities, right? You can't jump in and out without head, all right? Because you are going to destroy, you are going to give back your profits and you are going to destroy your account. The next one, guys, set yourself a limit on loss on the day. Okay, my rule, for example, if I take 3 losses in a row, I'm out on the day, I'm back in the next day, right? So you can't let yourself to fall into over trading, revenge trading. Okay, very important. Have a proper position size according to your account size. Okay, I have a video about the position sizing. I'm going to leave a link in the description. Okay, you must be able to take losses, right? So you don't want to risk too much on a single trade. The next one, guys, even after 3, 4 wins, okay, you should walk away. Winning in a row can be just as dangerous as losing in a row, okay, because you might feel unstoppable. Then you start taking bigger risks, right? You're gonna start taking low quality trades, okay, and you give back your profits, right? Don't do it. Just walk away, protect your capital, okay, protect your wins. Very important. Do not aim for home runs, right? I know, guys, some of you have small accounts and it would be amazing to have a big move every day, but it just doesn't work like that, right? In my experience, right, 30, 40 points is a realistic profit target and is repeatable, all right? As I always say, it is easier to make 2, 3 times 20, 30 points than 1 time 60, 90 points, right? The next one, guys, take in consideration the run numbers when trading key levels, right? 100, 200, 300, and the 50s, right? As we all know, 50 is a magic number, 50, 150, 250, and so on, right? So for example, if my key level is at 320, 330, that's my key area, right? I'm looking to have my entry as close as possible to 320, right? So I can place my stop loss below the run number, below the 300 as far as possible, right? Because often even the key level, it breaks, right? It's the run number gives us a safety net, all right, and bounces from there. Same on 50s, for example, if my key area or resistance area is at 230, 240, I'm looking to place my entry as close as possible to 240 so I can place my stop loss above the 50, right? As 50 often rejects even if the key level fails, right? Same if it's down, the support, the 50 bounce, right? You can see me on, I share on Telegram channel, 50 bounce with gold, so 50 hold with gold, all right? So that's the reason behind it, okay? And there is another simple reason why we have to pay attention for run numbers is the order clustering, all right? And I'm going to make a video about this because it's very important, right? The next one, guys, have a trading plan before each session, right? Very important. Have your key levels parked on the chart, plan the possible trades, okay? And of course, you have to analyze the market during the trading session, right? So for example, if there is a strong move, a strong buying pressure from the, i.e. the price moves away fast from a certain point, you can mark that area, and when the price turns back, you can assume that buying pressure going to build up again, right? So that's going to give you a high probability trade. Of course, on the opposite side, if a strong move to the downside, okay, you mark that area, that point from where the price starts to move, all right? When it turns back, you are ready and you watch the price action, and if it rejects, you might assume that the selling pressure is going to build up again, and this might give you a high probability trade, right? So very important, you have to analyze the chart and you have to analyze the market and focus and act accordingly, right, guys? And the last one, stick to your bias, right? It's very important you build your bias, the daily bias, based on a higher time frame, okay? And you shouldn't change bias unless there's a change on the higher time frame, okay? So on uptrends, i.e. bullish, higher time frames, we are looking for long opportunities, okay? We are looking to long the bounce of supports, and we are looking to long the breakout of resistances, right? If there is a downtrend, okay, i.e. bearish higher time frame, okay, we are looking to short the rejection of the resistances and short the break of the supports, right? But you shouldn't change bias on the day unless there is a change, a shift on the higher time frame, okay? Also keep an eye on the higher time frames all the time, all right? On the daily, 4 hours and hourly. If you trade on the 5 minutes and you have your key level and you are ready to enter, right? Always check the higher time frames, okay? For example, if you have an entry at 340, 350 areas, right? And you just entered, and you see that the 4 hours is just about to turn green, that candle, and to wick out, this could give you an extra confirmation that you can hold longer, all right? Or your trade is most likely to work out well, right? So very important. All right, guys, if you follow these rules, if you follow these steps, I'm sure I can guarantee you it's going to take your trading to the next level. You will see consistency, right? Guys, thank you very much for watching. If you are not part of the Telegram channel, join us, cost you nothing. I'm sharing the daily analysis on the DAX index, on the Germany 40 and the NASDAQ, the US Tech 100, all right? The trade ideas, the potential turning points, right? And much more, okay? I'm going to leave a link in the description for the Telegram channel and of course, the position sizing video I made just before this one, okay? So go and have a look, right? Guys, thank you very much for watching and hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye, take care.